This simple AI video made over $14,000 in less than 30 days with zero filming, zero editing, and zero experience. These house building shorts are getting tens of millions of views right now, and almost nobody knows how simple they actually are. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create the exact same viral videos using only 2 AI tools so you can start your own channel today. These videos work because they show something the human brain is addicted to: progress. You start with empty land, and by the end, you see a beautiful finished house. Once people start watching, they just can't stop until the end. So here's the system behind these viral channels. First, we generate a prompt. Then we create the images. Then we animate the construction. And finally, we upload and monetize. First, go to ChatGPT or any AI assistant. We use it to create a perfect image prompt. Here's exactly what you give it. Write a prompt for an image: a stunning modern house located beside a paved road with a forest in the background. The house includes a garage and a parked car, and the entire building is shown clearly in a close-up wide view filling the whole frame. Ultra-realistic visual style, high detail, vertical format, 9:16. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed professional prompt for you. You can also repeat this with other styles. For example, you can ask it to rewrite the prompt as a classic 3-story home next to a dirt road surrounded by trees, or an American-style 2-story house in a cozy suburban area, or even a bold red luxury house with an underground garage. Just copy whichever prompt you like. Now go to Leonardo AI. They give you free credits so you don't have to pay. Open the image generation section, leave the model on auto, set the style to dynamic, and choose a 9:16 format. Paste your prompt and click Generate. In about 10 seconds, you'll get beautiful, realistic house images. Now here's the most important trick. We don't just need the finished house, we also need the exact same scene without the house, so we can create the transformation from empty land to a finished building. Click Edit with Mask, choose Nano Banana, paste the empty land instruction from the guide, and click Generate. Now the AI removes the house but keeps the same road, forest, and lighting. Download both images, one with the house and one without it. Those 2 images are all you need for one viral video. Now go to Kling AI. Open the video generation section, set the model to video 2.6. Upload your empty land image as the start frame and your finished house image as the end frame. Paste the construction prompt I gave you, and that's it. Click Generate and let it run. And while this video is rendering, I want you to really think about something. This isn't just another AI tool. This is a real opportunity. 2026 is your year. This is the year you stop watching other people win and start building something of your own. No more waiting, no more doubting yourself. Every big channel you see started with one simple upload, and this video you're creating right now could be the first brick of something much bigger. So don't stop. Don't overthink, just keep going, because this is exactly how it starts. All you have to do now is add music and upload it. No editing, no timelines, no keyframes. These videos work because they're hypnotic, they loop perfectly, and the Shorts algorithm loves them. Just upload consistently and let the system do the rest. This is honestly the closest thing to a magic button on YouTube. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you try it, share your results, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI strategy.